the advent calendar, the best part of the day. We got a little present, we got a bit of building, and then we get on with our day. Yeah, very exciting. All right, it's the 19th of December. We are so close to Christmas now, but we're not quite there yet. So we're not even in the 20s. We've got some tiny sofas. Oh, they're sized just right for a little Ollie and a little Paisley, or for their animals, for their pets. These are very cute. These are going to definitely fit into the scene that I made, so that's good. It's getting a bit cluttered. I love clutter, but yeah, it needs to be organized clutter. Are those two words? Is that like, are they contradictory? I'm not sure. Let's put these together. So we got the bit with the jumper stud on here so you can pop your character on there. We got our backrest, and we've got the little arm rests on each side. And then on the bottom, we've got the roundy brownie 2x1 plates. Perfect. So we'll pop Ollie on this one. I mean, are they color-coded for each of the characters? I don't know who would have which one. I'm not sure about the colours for the new Lego Friends characters. They're not really stuck with any particular colour scheme, which is nice. It's nice to be able to mix and match. Okay, so we've got a green one for Paisley. Oh, they're so cute. They're so bright too. It's lovely. Okay, over here in the lounge room, we're moving stuff around. It is getting so very full, but we can put these on here. And I've just kind of scattered some jumper studs around on the mat, but I don't know. We might have too many. I'm not sure. We might have to do a little bit of adapting. Let's put this one over here. And then we could put the, yeah, let's put baby Ella back in the middle, and they can just stare at the new baby sister. So adorable. Oh, and we can bring Rose in, and she could be playing some lullabies on the guitar, or they could be having a sing-along and soothing Ella off to sleep. All right, let's have a look what's behind the door. Day 19 of the Disney Princess calendar. Oh, I love the fact that I'm getting 2 presents each day. This feels very indulgent, but I'm loving it. So this one's a Christmas table. So we've got a pink table with the Christmas greenery on it and a candle in the middle. This kind of just doesn't go with any particular princess, but it goes with the Christmas theme, so they can all gather around this and celebrate. All right, so let's get this built up. But before we do that, we might come knocking over micro dolls left, right, and center. They're everywhere. It's getting very cluttered here in the Disney Princess section too. Okay, so we've got our brown tree trunk, no, what do you call it? Like the legs on the base of the table. We've got a pink top, and we get our greens. I love that they're alternated with the turquoise green as well. It's just so lovely. It's just such a nice variation of colour. And we've got the candle on the top. That's just very sweet. So it goes with the Christmas theme, and we can get everyone in, and Ariel and Tiana have sailed in on Moana's skiff. Okay, all right. So everyone's sharing all of the stuff. Christmas is about sharing. Okay, okay. I'll see you again tomorrow. Oh, we're going to be in the 20s. This is exciting. All right, see you then. Bye.